Hey, it's Kaitlyn Mack. Are you looking for a great home and a great community right now for sale? Check out this one. Welcome to 5009 Brickwood Rise Drive in Wimauma, Florida. This is a large 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home in the amazing community of Sereno. As you first walk up to the front of the home, you are greeted by beautiful landscaping edged by poured concrete barriers alongside a brick paver driveway and sidewalk. As you walk in the front door, you are greeted by an open living space with the living room, dining room, and kitchen all open, perfect for entertaining. The spacious kitchen features a tuxedo-style accented cabinets with granite countertops. A large island with a connected custom-made dining table is dressed in quartz to bring it all together. Also, don't forget the beautiful custom-made soft close pantry. You also get a beautiful coffee or wine or liquor bar just off the kitchen. As you come around to go upstairs, don't miss the large flex space, currently used as an office, but can be converted into another bedroom or used as any type of room you may need. Upstairs, first you'll see the large loft that overlooks the backyard. More on that later. That could also be converted into another bedroom. Then the laundry room, with the smart home hookups and capabilities. Moving along, you'll see all the bedrooms are extremely spacious and open, even the quote-unquote smallest one. The master bedroom features an extra alcove to place a desk or other furniture, and of course tons of space to relax. The master bathroom is also large and provides plenty of storage and features a fully tiled stand-up shower. Last but certainly not least, when you go out the back sliding doors to the backyard, you are greeted by a gorgeous water view that will not be compromised by backyard neighbors, a custom fire pit on another brick paver walkway, and a gazebo to cover you on those sunny Florida days. Not only is this an amazing home, but the community it's in has so much to offer. Sereno is a large gated community with a large community pool, tennis courts, basketball courts, shuffleboard, golf cart paths, dog parks, one for small dogs and one for bigger dogs, an open air clubhouse, and a shaded tot lot. Oh, almost forgot my favorite, miles of walking trails with beautiful nature views. This community also features UltraFi, an all-encompassing internet that covers the entire community. Last, but certainly not least, as you may see on a map, Sereno is just across 674 from South Shore Bay, the lagoon community here in South Hillsborough County. Let me tell you a secret. Because the community of Sereno was developed by the same company as the lagoon communities, residents in any Metro Places community get discounted admission to the lagoon. For Sereno residents, it is a whopping $5 a person. That is a steal! Check out this home and make it yours today. For more great information about the Wimauma area, check out this playlist here. And for even more great information about the Tampa Bay area and homes for sale and other communities, subscribe to my channel here.